Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a quick unboxing, something that came in from Sportsman's Guide. Today I'm opening up with my Andrew Demko AD20.5 with the rock scale design titanium scales. This is what they call the smooth handle here, and a Tanto blade in 3V. Love this knife. Been carrying this one a lot lately. Just a really fun, fidgety, but useful knife. And it just works so nicely. Especially because of this cutout right here, by the way. This is really nice. Makes it really neat. Some receipts. Let me make sure I get those out of the way. Get the box. I'll make sure it doesn't have any name on there. It doesn't. All right. So what we got today is a Surefire. This is an EDCL2-T, a dual output LED flashlight, 1200 lumens, 5 lumens. 1 hour, 60 hours, multiple output, 210 meters distance, takes two 123R lithium batteries. All right, so let's take a look at this guy. Put that off to the side. All right, so what do we got here? No compromise, tactical tools. Oh, we got a nice Surefire sticker. I like stickers, you know that. So there we go. Read before use. Do not leave activated unattended. All right, I'm back. I got interrupted there. All right, so do not leave unattended anywhere. That's what it says. All right. Let's see what else we have on here. I don't know if it says if I can use the other type of, let's see, let's open this up. I don't know if there's batteries included already with it. Are there? No? Oh, okay. It's interesting. All right, so you can lock it in place with a screw. That's different. I really do like that on the Surefire where you don't have that, but I guess maybe that's there for a reason, tactical reason, I don't know. Leaves it on. I don't know if I like that because it seems like it can't close or if you be there permanently. What do we got here? This is a little lanyard or a little tie, I guess. All right, so how does this work again? Enable lockout tail cap. What does that mean? Rotate the clockwise to activate tail cap push button. When push button is pressed, to lock out tail cap, rotate the counterclockwise until it is not, till light will not activate when push button is pressed. Okay, I guess that's how you control it. Okay. Interesting. That's an interesting design. I'm not sure I'm a big fan of that, but there you go. So that's supposed to be 1200 lumens. That's interesting. All right. Light operation, press partially for low output, push for high output, lanyard install removal. All right, so press momentarily. All right, so to install and pinch the middle section of the scissor snap. Battery replace. I guess is like this. All right, so these are the lithium batteries. Interesting. I wonder if it can take the larger battery, like this. So like, but that's a little bit bigger. I don't know if it'll fit it, right? Yeah, so it doesn't, absolutely not. That's kind of a bummer. All right. Definitely interesting. That doesn't mean it means I have to get more batteries for sure. So, you know, Surefire's made in USA. It's a great product, and so I like that a lot. But not sure if I'm necessarily a huge fan of that. All right. Battery information for complete battery information. Okay, go there. Maintenance, accessories. To remove the lanyard pinch the middle section with scissors. Snap unopen. Pinch the middle section. What? So it's saying lanyard removal. To install, pinch the middle section of the scissor snap like a set of tweezers. Hook it onto the tail cap's lanyard ring and release. Okay, so I guess that, oh, okay, so it's like that. To remove the lanyard. To install, pinch the middle section of the scissors set of tweezers. Hook onto the tail cap's lanyard ring and release. All right. Definitely would have been nice to have a little visual on this one because apparently this needs to be idiot proof, right? All right. So those of you guys who have Surefire, who've had them forever, you probably know exactly what this means, but this makes no sense to me. All right. To install, pinch the middle section of the scissors like that. All right. Hook onto the tail cap's lanyard and release. Okay, just like that. All right. So basically threaded like a keychain. I mean, could have said that. All right, whatever. So I guess you have that. I guess that's tactical. I would like to get rid of that. I don't really dig that too much. It seems kind of a, I don't know, extra. I'm not sure if I like this. It just looks like it's an accident waiting to happen. As much as I use my knife, or use my flashlights, that is going to be something that I will probably engage at some point. All right, so it's single LED. This is supposed to go up to 1200 lumens. So you can see here's the 5 lumens right here. You see that right there? 5 lumens, and then there's the 1200. And it's pretty warm for sure. So, all right. So that's it. Let's compare it to the one that I have been carrying and the one that I was kind of replacing it with because my clip broke, and I was going to get another clip from Surefire, which is great that they sell them, but to buy a $12 clip, it's going to cost you $30 in shipping, which is ridiculous, all right? You're going to offer a little clip, and you're probably going to spend $3 to ship it, but you're going to charge me like, what, 30? I don't know, it's insane, the amount of shipping. Shipping and handling and everything is for a little $12 clip is absurd, okay? So based on that, I was going to look to get a new light, and I thought this would be a great time to try a Surefire. And now this is made in the USA, and that's one of the things I really like about it, right? So I thought that would be cool, but it doesn't take the same long-term battery like my Surefire does. And I really like the fact that this uses one of these. This is, what's it called? an 18650 battery, which is really cool because you can recharge those and they work great, right? Then I have well, full brightness, flash, so full brightness. So if I go, and then the dim, right? So that's how it works. Let's see what is the dim compared to this one? All right, so this one's feels like it's 10 or 15 lumens, and this one's 5. So definitely a lot less. So let's look at the brightness. All right, so this is 500 lumens, this is 1200 lumens, so you can definitely see the difference there. All right, interesting, very, very interesting. Not sure I'm a super fan of this, so unfortunately I guess I kind of committed to it, but there you go. All right, at least I give Surefire a try, one-time try. I'm sure some people absolutely love this. And it doesn't have the flat, yeah, that's interesting. So see how it rolls? And I get that, but one thing that's nice about Surefire, it has a side where it's not gonna roll off on you. If I put this up there somewhere and we were to get rid of this little clip part right here, I don't know how this gets replaced, but if this was to be removed, let's see if I unscrew this over here. I wonder if that just comes out like that. I wonder if you pop it out. It does look like, see that this just rolls. There's no flat surface. Now you have this right here, but this looks like, okay, so there's a little separation. So you can spread that out and take it off, because most likely I'm probably gonna take that off. I don't find that super helpful. That is interesting. Yeah. Definitely interesting. There's no way to prevent that from getting screwed in all the way. I wish there was something you could put right there to stop that. Might have to go looking, getting some O-rings that could stop that. So when I screw it on, it won't accidentally get squeezed in, right? That would be nice. That's my concern. Because if I just hit that a little bit, it could be open. So if I want it really close to that, otherwise I have to pull it back quite a bit, and that makes this, it makes it easy for that one, but if I want to depress that one, if I want to get this to the point where I want to be able to go straight to the zoom right away, right? I've got to get pretty close to right there. See that? And I want to back that off a little bit. So, all right, so that is the Surefire. You can see that, Surefire. Let's take a look. We'll put the thing off to the side, and so you can have a better view of it. So that is the Surefire with the lanyard, all right? And there it is. Here's the Surefire right here with the lanyard. I'll just hold it up like that. All right. And then we'll see, here's the top of the light. You can see the LED, the button. It's okay. It's not the wow factor I thought it was going to be, because I always thought Surefire was going to be a step up from Streamlight. And I'm not sure it is. It's okay. It's good. I love buying American, but, it's not like blow me away amazing. So there you go. All right. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching. This is going to be just a quick unboxing of the video and the knife, the light, which I think is pretty cool EDC. Hey, if you found this interesting, fun, informative, worthwhile, entertaining, or helpful, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, to be able to do more things, and ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys. If you've already hit the subscribe and the like button, maybe consider hitting that notification button so you can be notified of future content when it's dropped. Say thank you to all my current channel members. I really, really do appreciate you. Thank you so much, and sorry about that interruption. If you haven't already, maybe consider becoming a channel member as well and hit that membership down below. Thank you so much, and thanks so much for watching today. Oh, by the way, one other thing. Check me out over on Instagram if you haven't already at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.